Hi guys, today we are unboxing this Amazon boxes. Let's start. Here's the box. Yeah, hey boy. What is this? This is a cup.
Tea Mafia.
Tea mug. Means cup.
I know.
It's
Let me
so
check.
cool.
Somewhere. Oops.
Ooh. It's almost like that you. Oh!
Wow. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
This is done.
Yes, next box. Next we are unboxing next product. What is that?
I don't know. It's so difficult to open. Okay.
What is it?
I don't know.
There's capsule. No, not capsule.
Ouch. It's you.
What is this capsule?
Wow.
It's glass capsule.
No.
What is it?
It's wish bottle.
This bottle?
Next.
Next, we are going to unbox next
Product.
Let's start.
Okay.
It's first of it's carefully packaging.
Yes. Okay. So let's open it. Why are you coming closer? Go there.
What is this now?
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Like the mystery box. Amazon mystery box. Mystery box.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
So, what is this?
Oh my god. What is that?
Make again.
Now we are unboxing the next product. Ma'am, why are you using pen for cutting
Because
the
I don't
tape?
have scissors right now. That's why.
It's like a statue.
What are you doing here?
Now guys, we are unboxing next product.
What is this?
I don't know. Mystery box. What is that?
It's so beautiful.
Oh, it's owl.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you like owl, na?
Yes. It's so beautiful.
Oh my god.
So beautiful. This is incense stick or maybe pen holder. Incense stick holder or something like that. Sure. So we have got 3 items. One is blessed mug and this is wish bottle and this one
Oh wow.
we can keep like this.
Ooh. What is that? Where this big hole?
So beautiful, no?
Yes.
I would like. Oh. Close.